I'm Rosie Jean, the auntie of Lithium. And this one, my husband.
Take a photo, please. So that's all simple as that. And then give them a round of applause. You see?
I love Filipino people. Only Filipino. If Malta was to be filled with Filipino people, foreigners only, Maltese people would be very happy. But unfortunately, there's a lot of mixture. But Filipino, the best in the world.
Thank you.
My love, in fact, is Filipina.
Yes, it's true. True health mark.
Thank you very much. Oh, birthday boy. Birthday boy.
Thank you very much, Manuel and Charlotte.
Thank you so much for the appreciation. So 5 years. So we're 5 years friends in friendship. Smile. Go. Ganun na po sila katagal magkaibigan. Ang lagkit, may kiss pa. Yan, magsasalita pa po. Okay, go.
Ako nga po pala si Rogelio Banal. Hindi nyo na itatanong. We are friends since 2000 days. Since year 2000 years. In Victory Liner. We are came from Victory Liner. He is my conductor and I am the driver. So masasabi ko lang, small world. Kasi hindi ko akalain, nandito na siya. Sa Qatar pa lang ako noon, in Dubai. Siya yung naging karing sa akin na pumunta rito mag-apply na as bus driver. Pero that time, wala pa rin. Ganun.
Kain lang po. Huwag mahiya.
Si Chris, alam na alam. Si Chris, takot po si Chris.
First, Chris. Chris.
Ay, masarap yung...
Nagugupit ang buhok, si Angel, ang staff, si Joby. Thank you so much for coming.
The president of Hong Kong.
Happy birthday. Alagaan mo ang sarili mo dyan. Mag-ipon ka, huwag ka magbisyo ng inom at panigarilyo. Imbis ibisyo mo, ipadala mo na lang sa akin.
Hi, Joby.
I love you.
Wishing you a happy birthday and many happy returns. All the best wishes. Take care and have a wonderful day. See you soon.
Happy birthday, Bijong. Ilang taon ka na nga? 45. Mag-ingat ka palagi at laging magpakumbaba. Mag-ingat sa trabaho mo. Lagi mong alagaan yung sarili mo. Dahil wala namang ibang tutulong kundi ang sarili mo din. At kung kalimutan na magdasal, at huwag mo rin kalimutan kung saan ka nanggaling. Palaging hinahanin na si nanay ay tumatanda. Okay, we love you.
Happy birthday, Kuya. I wish you good health, good fortune, and all the best things in life. Have fun today.
Always, and more birthdays to come. Happy birthday, Tito Joby. Mag-ingat ka dyan palagi.
Happy birthday, Tito Joby.
We wish you a good health and a long life. God bless.
More birthdays to come and mag-iingat ka dyan palagi, Tito Joby.
Hello Papa, kamusta ka po dyan? Happy birthday nga po pala. And I wish po sa inyo na more birthday. And thank you rin po sa pag-alaga mo sa amin na kuya ko. Salamat po talaga. God bless po. I love you. Wish you.
Hello, Pap! So, happy birthday. Ingat ka palagi dyan. And, okay lang kami ni Ate Carla rito. Then, magti-third year college na ako ngayong pasukan. So, malapit na rin ako makagraduate. Huwag ka mag-alala. At, mabuti naman yung kalagayan namin dito. Happy birthday! Ingat ka palagi dyan.
Hi, good morning. Happy birthday, Bijong, President, partner. Wish ko sana bigyan ka pa ni Lord ng mahabang buhay. Tapos, makatagpo ka na ng forever mo. Okay, happy birthday again, Pres and partners. Partner, happy birthday!
Hi,
sana malasing mo kami.
Kumusta ang birthday celebrant? Happy birthday sa iyo. I wish you all the best. At sana ikaw pa rin yan. Kahit 45 ka na, chares. At sana nahanap mo na ang the one ng buhay mo. At pag siya na talaga, okay? Alam mo na yung gagawin mo, okay? Huwag nang malandi, alright? By the way, happy birthday, Brad. Ingat palagi. And
happy birthday, Tito Bijong. Happy birthday, Tito Bijong. More birthdays to come. Okay, happy birthday on your special day. I hope you realize how much you mean to all the people who love you. You're a good friend of us. Thank you, and more birthdays to come. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Bijong!
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday to you!
Happy birthday po sa ating presidente ng PhilCom, President Bijo Elepane!
Happy birthday to you!
Happy birthday! Good luck! Sa mga bad luck, hindi namin kasama.
On birthday time, the chef in the house. Happy birthday, Bijong! Many more birthdays to come. God bless you. Ingatan ang sarili. We love you.
Happy birthday! Ayan! Congratulations and happy birthday kay Presidente Bijong.
Ang PhilCom.
Ayan. Congratulations sa iyong bagong journey in life. Ayan, binigay talaga yan ni Lord para sa iyo at may plan si Lord para sa iyo. Kaya napunta sa iyo ang posisyon na yan. I wish you more birthdays to come. And syempre, guidance at nawa ay bigyan ka ng
Presidente.
May love life.
Happy birthday po kay El Presidente 2024. Para sa ito, El Presidente Bijong. Happy birthday. Mabuhay ka. Saludo ko sa iyo. Over. Ciao.
Happy birthday, Joe, and behave yourself. Don't be naughty anymore, eh?
Happy birthday! Happy birthday, my love. Always remember that you are getting better, not older. I hope that this is your best birthday yet and all your wishes come true. Again, happy birthday and mag-ingat ka palagi.
Thank you.
at kapayapaan ng mga Pino dito. Maraming salamat po.
The birthday is not over without the cake. So now, this cake is precious for your daughter, and I know you don't know about this. He doesn't have any idea. So behind this cake, the sister of Bijong and his daughter from UK. So through Messenger, we prepared this. So can we
play Happy Birthday?
We sing Happy Birthday and then going to play the cake.
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. May picture ni Bijong. Yun yung re-request ng kanyang daughter.
So we're finalizing the process.
With
And he
dedication.
said, yes, baby, we can have this bedroom.
Happy 45th birthday, Kapas. Love, Shane, Carla, and Francine from your daughter.